Welcome back to Prox Trains. Today we have an interesting video for you because recently I've been talking to my friends at Gabis, and so is my dad, and they've been needing some engine repair. So we've been honored to be able to work on a few of their locomotives. So today I'm going to show you a few of the ones that we've been working on. As you can see, our HO layout has not been in use due to our test loop that we have set up for these locomotives. So here's a little behind the scenes of Gabis. Welcome to the Prox Tune-Up and Repair Shop for your G-scale locomotive needs. So here's an example of why you should be super careful during assembly of a locomotive. This is a case where the wire got pinched between the two plastic pieces, and as the screw got screwed down, it did end up pinching, and now we do have a loss of power from the intermittent open circuit. So that is something that will be replaced.
And currently right now we are working on getting engines for the Gabis Arboretum ready to go for the 2025 season. Here we have 3 of their NW2 locomotives and a Bachmann C16. What's really nice and handy that they have done and implemented is that they mark on their engines what DCC control board they have inside their engines, so you don't have to take them apart to understand what you're working with.
All right, so this 44 tonner that we got from Gabis, they complained that it runs okay, but only pulls 1 to 2 cars. So this is going to be our initial run inspection. Oh, grumbly.
Yeah, got a lot of vibration in the speaker. Check the headlights.
Well, that was funky.
Sound kicks out. Could be electrical pickup.
This engine here specifically is getting extra weight, and we have needed to take it pretty far apart just to get in there. Okay, so this is one of those Gabis locomotives that did not run at all when we got it. As you can see now, after our Prox fix, is running quite smooth with a few cars behind it. One thing I'd like to detail is the cabin details. I like the details on this locomotive. New springs. Nice.